Imagine being able to breathe new life into your trusted iPhone, making it faster and more efficient than ever before. Well, Apple has recently rolled out a feature that does just that. And in this video, we're going to dive into the details of how it works and what it means for you. As you know, iPhones, like any electronic device, slow down over time. This is due to a combination of factors, including battery degradation, software updates, and the natural wear and tear on the hardware. But what if you could undo some of that damage and give your iPhone a fresh lease on life? That's exactly what Apple's latest feature does, and it's all about optimizing your iPhone's performance. So how does it work? Apple introduced a feature called Optimized Battery Charging back in 2019, but it's recently been revamped to include a new feature called Smart Battery Charging. This feature uses machine learning algorithms to learn your charging habits and adjust your iPhone's battery charging schedule accordingly. By doing so, it helps to prolong the overall health